Hello and welcome my dear students. I am Rohan sir from Mahdi English Medium School and I welcome my all dear 3rd standard students once again in today's science class. My dear students, we are preparing for exam and I know since few lectures we are preparing, so you all might be ready for that. So my dear students, today is very much important day for you all. Now, before I elaborate that word important day, I would like you to just draw your attention towards your rough book. And I hope that you all have rough books now, because this is the format we are revising in this way since 8 to 10 lectures. So I hope that now you are ready with your rough notebooks. Now, let's see what are we going to do today if you are ready with your rough notebooks. So today we are going to do the revision test of MCQ and fill in the blanks. Yes, revision test. So it is a test today, or you can say online class live test. Generally, if I were there in your class, I would always take the surprise test written in your papers. But now, as I am not there in front of you, still my lecture is there presented on your screens. So now you have to appear for this test. So please give the heading in your rough notebooks, revision test. So the spelling is clearly written here, revision test. Quickly write it down on the header part. Make sure it should be in the header part of the page and obviously a new page. Also, do not forget to give the date. Give today's date. So, test is going to be in the two part. First part is of MCQ, second is of fill in the blanks. So, I hope you have taken out your rough books and you are all ready with it. Now, what is the format is, first I will only display the questions. For example, if it is an MCQ, obviously I am going to show you the question and the options, but not the answers as always we do. No, we are just going to first write the answers, and then at the end of the lecture, after the completion of both MCQ and fill in the blanks, I will display the answers for both MCQ and fill in the blanks. So I hope this format is very much clear to you. So answers will be displayed at the end of the lecture as it is written here. Make sure you are going to write the answers, because after you write the test on the same day, that is today itself, you have to send it to me, that is to Rohan sir personally. And you have to send your marks written after you check your test at the end of the lecture. So at the end, 3 to 5 minutes I will spare to show you the answers. Make sure you check your answers quickly. If it is right, put the tick mark. If it is wrong, put the cross mark. Now I have given you a lot of time to get prepared for it. I'll also give you the time in between the questions to write the answers. As it is of objective, I won't give you much time, but obviously I'll give you the sufficient time. So, without wasting much of your time, let us begin. So now, the first thing what you are going to answer for is multiple choice questions, that is MCQ. So even in the exam, if you find something written like this, multiple choice questions, don't get puzzled. It is nothing else, just an MCQ. Now, give the heading properly first of all. You have to write MCQ properly. Now, where you have written revision test, below that, leaving one line, you have to write this heading MCQ or multiple choice questions, whatever you feel like. Then, write just the answers. That means you don't have to write the questions, neither the questions nor the options. So, you neither have to write the questions nor the options. You just have to write down the answer and answer number properly. then make sure you check it at the end, means at the end of the lecture when I show you the answers, check it properly. So if you written the answers in the sequence, you will be able to check it properly. I hope you all are ready now. So if you are ready, let's present the first question. First question is animal that eats plant and flesh of other animal. Options are there: cow, rabbit, bear, elephant. Quickly write down your answer. Answer number 1. I'll repeat the question. Animal that eats plant and flesh of other animal. Now, out of these animals, which animal eats plant as well as flesh? I hope you have written the answer. Options are cow, rabbit, bear, elephant. So you have to write the name of the animal which eats both plants as well as flesh of other animals. Okay, I hope that you have written your answers, because you don't have to write the question, so you will not take much of the time. Second question is animal that chew the cud. Options are buffalo, crow, snake, chimpanzee. So you have to write the name, or you have to select the name from these names of animals which eats or which chew the cud. Now you all know chewing the cud means what, so you should be able to answer it properly. Quickly write down the answer. Also, one thing, make sure while you are writing the answer, also write the sequence, that is A, B, C or D. If it is crow, you have to write B crow. If it is snake, you have to write C snake. That is how you are going to write. Animal that chew the cud. Options are A, buffalo, B, crow, C, snake, D, chimpanzee. So I hope that you are writing the answers and that you will write the correct answer only. Okay, now let's see what the next question is. Question number 3, animal that know. Now which animal has this kind of eating habit? Options are lion, A, lion, B, squirrel, C, butterfly, D, horse. Which of these animals know their food, or having the habit of knowing? And you know what is the meaning of know, because I have explained you several times. So I hope that 90% of the students will write the correct answer only. Make sure even you write the sequence. I repeat, if it is correct answer is, for example, lion, then you have to write A, lion. This way you are going to write. So I hope that you have written the answer for this animal that know. Now next question is, question number 4 is animal that suck their food through the tube. So first of all, that particular animal should have tube. Let's see what the option is: mosquito, tiger, cow and dog. A, mosquito, B, tiger, C, cow and D, dog. These are the options. So which animal do you think have the habit of sucking their food through the tube? Now you should easily understand which one is it, because not all have this habit, not all have the tube to suck the food. So please write the answer properly: animals that suck their food through the tube. I hope that you have written the answers properly with the sequence, and make sure spellings are also correct, because you are looking onto the screen and writing it. So now, if you have written the answers, let's see what the next question is. Next question is question number 5. Animal that uses its tongue to lap up water or milk. Let's see what the options are: frog, cat, fox, none. Now you need to understand this question properly. See, and also you have to write the answers from the options only. You cannot write answers of your own even though your answer is correct, because at the end of the lecture I am going to present the answers which are there within the options, so then you can't count your marks in, because you have to choose from these options only. I repeat the question, please write down the answers. Animals that uses its tongue to lap up water or milk. Options are A. Frog, B. Cat, C. Fox, or D. None. None means none of the above ABC. So I hope that you have written your answers. Now you should not take much time to write only the answer of one word. Let's see what the next question is. Next question is question number 6. Let me read the question first. Sharp object that can cause an injury. Injury means any kind of wound, or if you get hurt, that is called an injury, physical hurt. Okay. So which is the sharp object which can cause injury? Let's see the options. A. Feather, B. Cloth, C. Knives, D. Water. See, I am not giving you any kind of clue or hint for the answers, because this is your test. You have to take it very seriously. Okay, because before exams, this is very good opportunity for you all to prepare for the same. Anyways, just think of it. Which is the sharp objects from the options which can cause injury? Cause injury means from which you can get deep hurt or deep wound. I hope that you are writing the answers and also the sequence with it, that is A, B, C or D. Also you have to mention there in your answer along with answer number. So this is answer number 6 what you are going to write, and also the sequence you have to mention it. So think about it, and I hope that you have written the answers. Try to understand the questions. Try to write your answer with legible writing, that is readable writing, so that when you send it to me, I can just verify whether you have written correct or not. Also make sure any overwriting is not allowed. If you will do it, I will consider it as a copy case. That means I will consider it that you have written the answers from the end part of the lecture when I have displayed the answers. Be loyal with yourself. You should come to know whatever you know or you don't know. Don't cheat with yourself. I hope that you have written this answer. Let's see what the next question is. Next question, question number 7. Color of traffic light. These are the options: red, orange, purple, pink. So which of these is one color of traffic light? Not all, any one is the correct color out of 3 colors of traffic light. A. Red, B. Orange, C. Purple, D. Pink. Any one is the correct color which is there in the traffic signal lights. Please select the correct answer. Write it down in your books quickly. Color of traffic light. So I hope that you revised it well and you know which is the correct color. Okay. Now if you have written the answer, moving on to the 8th question. Question is, this thing is found in a first aid box. Now, which of the below things is found in the first aid box? Is it glue, or is it bandage, or is it ball or shoes? These are the 4 options. Which of these below things are found in the first aid box or first aid kit? Also, I have shown you first aid box. I have shown you the picture. I have also discussed few things which are included in it. If you have carefully watched those lectures, you will be able to answer this properly. A. Glue, B. Bandage, C. Ball, or is it D. Shoes? So if you have written the answers, let's move to the next section. Kindly give the heading fill in the blanks on the new page. Make sure this should be on the new page. So the test will be of 2 pages. You have to send me the photos of 2 pages compulsorily. I am going to note down the names of the students who are going to send me. Make sure you send it to me on this day, on the same day, today itself. Because tomorrow if you will send me, I am not going to check your tests. Okay. Now the rules are, write down only the answers. Again, you don't have to note down the questions, which will take more than half an hour, and we don't have that. So only write down the answers. Answers should be in the sequence. Like I said, answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. Properly write it down. Make sure you check the answers at the end, that is at the end of the lecture. Now, if you are ready with the heading, the first question is in front of you on your screens. Animals such as dash eats plants as well as flesh of other animals. So please write down the answer. Animals such as dash eats plants as well as flesh of other animals. I am not going to give you any kind of hint. Just I will give you one instruction. The name of this animal I have already given you in FB. That particular name should only be written here, because in the answers part I am going to display that particular answer only. Okay, if you write the example of other animal which eats plants as well as flesh, then also you can count it correct, but then you have to check it on your own because I am not there at your places. Animal such as dash eats plants as well as flesh of other animals. I hope that you have written the answers. Now let's see what the next question is. Question number 2, FB. Rabbits, rats and squirrels dash their food. This is also what we have discussed several times. Rabbits, rats and squirrels dash their food. Now I don't have to give you the clue for this because you might be knowing the answers. That is what I can expect from you. So the spelling should be correct, that's it. If your spelling is not correct, please give yourself half mark when you are checking. Okay. Now next question. Dash have very sharp pointed teeth to tear their food. I repeat the question. Dash have very sharp pointed teeth to tear their food. So here you should know what the answer is. I hope that you are writing the answers and you are also writing the spellings correctly. So dash have very sharp pointed teeth to tear their food. So if you have written, let's see what the next question is. Number 4. Dash swallows its food whole. This also I have explained you, I have shown you several times. Please write, think and write. Dash swallows its food whole. I am not going to explain the questions because that is what it is not done in the exams. Dash swallows its food whole. So if you have written the answers properly, let's see what the next question is. Question number 5. Dash has a sticky tongue to catch its prey. Dash has a sticky tongue to catch its prey. Please write down the answers quickly. Dash has sticky tongue to catch its prey. So maybe I have twisted the question, but you should be able to answer it if you have understood the question and learned it. Okay, now if you have written the answers, the next question now. Here, that is the end of the section of your tests. Now, we are going to check the answers. Before checking the answers, make sure that you have written both the things, FB and MCQ, on the separate pages. Also, make sure that you have written each and everything in a sequence so that when I display the answers, you will be able to check it directly. Also, sometimes if it is necessary somewhere, I'll show you the question again. There is no issue showing you the questions again, but your answers should be in a sequence. Now, first of all, here are the answers for MCQ. I will dictate the answers, I will read the answers. You have to check it thoroughly. Here are the answers for MCQ. Answer number 1 is C, bear. If you have written this, put the tick mark or put the cross mark. Answer number 2 is buffalo. A, buffalo. Make sure your sequence is also right. A, buffalo. If you have written this again, put the tick mark, or if you have written any other answer for second one, put cross mark. Number 3 is B, squirrel. Look at the spelling. Even sometimes you look onto the screen, your spellings are incorrect. So make sure, though it is an MCQ, though you have written the sequence properly, your spellings are also right, because somewhere, some or the other where you will need the spellings. So be loyal to yourself. So it was B, squirrel. Now number 4, A, mosquito. I also give you the hint for this answer that mosquito only has a tube. Elephants, lion, they don't suck. Tiger, they don't suck their food. Neither do they have tube, nor do they have the habit of sucking the food. It is mosquito which sits on your skin. If you remember, mosquitoes, they bite you. Actually, it is not a bite. They just insert their tube inside your body and try to suck your blood. So, mosquito. Fifth answer of MCQ is B, cat. So dogs and cats, I have shown you, they lap up the milk and the water. Answer number 6 is C, knives. Sharp objects. Now obviously feathers and clothes are not the sharp objects. Okay, feather is sometimes pointed, but feather, it cannot cause you injury. That is why it was written sharp object which can cause you the injury. So knives. Knives, I told you that your mom uses the knives in the kitchen to chop the vegetables. So knives is the correct answer. Put tick mark, students, if you have written these answers, or else put the cross mark if you have not written these answers, or if you have written any other answers. Be loyal. Obviously each MCQ contains 1 mark. Now 7th one, A, red, traffic light. If you remember, red, green and yellow, these 3 are the lights, right? So I have also told the uses while revising before few lectures only. What are the uses, correct? So red light means you have to stop. So A, red light anyways is the correct answer for 7th one. Number 8, B, bandage. First aid box. Now you cannot find ball or anything like whatever the options were there in the first aid box. Bandage, obviously you can find bandage, cotton, antiseptic creams and scissors. These all things are there. So to fix your wound, if it is there, to cover your wound. So bandage is the correct options. So bear, buffalo, squirrel, mosquito, cat, knives, red, bandage, and the sequence is C, A, B, A, B, C, A, B. So this is the sequence. I hope that you have got all the answers right, or at least maximum you have got 7 right answers. Now here are the answers for fill in the blanks. Please check it thoroughly with spellings. Please listen to me. If your spelling is incorrect but you have tried to write the correct answer, then you have to put half mark. Again, each blank answer contains 1 mark, that is 5 marks, 5 blanks. For MCQ it was 8 MCQs, 8 marks. Okay, so overall 13 marks. Now answer number 1 is where. I have given you this particular answer in your fair book. If you have written any other animal which eats plants as well as flesh of other animal, then also it will be correct, but verify it with your textbook. Second answer is no, GNAW, no. And I told you, I gave you the hint, the spelling should be correct. You cannot write KNOW, no, that is different thing. Neither can you write NO, no, that is again different thing. So make sure your spelling is correct everywhere. Third answer is carnivorous. Look at the spelling, CARNIVORES. If this is the spelling, put 1 mark. If you have written incorrect spelling, put half mark. Or if you have written incorrect answer, put 0 mark. Kindly be honest. Fourth answer is a snake. It swallows its food. Correct? So if you have written this answer, put 1 mark or else put 0 mark. And the last answer for fill in the blanks is frog. Number 5 is frog. It has long and sticky tongue. Correct? So frog is the correct answer. Now I hope that you have checked your test properly and honestly. And I also hope at the same time that maximum of you have got the maximum scores. It was of 13 marks. You should get 13 out of 13, as there are only objectives here in this revision test. So I hope that maximum of you have got 13 out of 13 or 12 at least out of 13. And I also hope that you have attended this test, you have appeared for this test with a loyal heart and honestly. So hope that you all have checked your answers. Make sure you send it to your subject teacher, that is Rohan sir, that is me, myself. Because this, if you will send it to me, you know that I always mark down the names, I always note down the names of the students who are sending the work of live video lectures to me. Some of the students are even asking me the doubts. That proves that they are watching the lectures regularly. This is how you can enjoy the lecture if you watch it thoroughly and you participate in it whenever I ask you to write and read. So I hope that this test was very much useful for you all. I have tried something new of taking the test online, so I hope for the good responses from all the students, and at the same time I hope that you will send it to me today itself, because tomorrow if you will send it to me, I will count your test as late submission, and also I'll think that you have written the answers after watching the videos twice or thrice, because that will not work. So make this test as honestly as you do in the class and send it to me. Now, thanks for watching the video lecture. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. This was very interesting lecture, and I also promise that I'll bring the next test in front of you which you will enjoy too, like this lecture. All the best for exams. Try to prepare from the video lectures so that you don't have to learn in the extra time, and that during the time of exams you don't have to sit for hours and hours to prepare, because you can easily prepare beforehand watching these lectures. Also, ask your friends to sit with you and appear for the test. Be ready in the next lecture with the book, pencil, because in the next lecture also there will be the test which you have to appear for, like the same way you appeared today. Now, I hope that you all are safe. Stay home, don't go out. At the end, goodbye, take care of yourself and of your family members too. Don't go out unnecessarily if you don't have any important work. Wear the mask, use the sanitizer. Goodbye, take care.